Question number 23. A given cell having 20 chromosomes divided by mitosis to produce 2 daughter cells. So, how many chromosome number will have the daughter cell after mitosis cell division? ስለዚህ መዘንጋት የሌለብን ነገር አንድ ሴል በማይቶሲስ ዲቫይድ ከሆነ በኋላ ሁለት ኒው ሴሎችን እናገኛለን። These new cells are said to be daughter cells. Daughter cells. How about the original cell? የመጀመሪያው ሴልስ ምንድን ነው የሚባለው? parent cell, mother cell ይባላል። mother cell or simply we can say mother cell. ስለዚህ ይህንን ማዘር ሴል በማይቶሲስ ዲቫይድ ከሆነ በኋላ ሁለት ዳውተር ሴሎች ሁለት ኒው ሴሎች ፕሮዲስ የሚያደርግ ከሆነ የነዚህ ኒው ሴልስ ክሮሞሶም ነምበራቸው ስንት ነው? So what's the answer for question number 20? The answer is 20. ለምን? In the case of mitosis chromosome number difference የለም. The daughter cells will have the same number of chromosomes with that of the parent cell, with that of the mother cell. So the answer is A12. How about in the case of meiosis? Meiosis like counts. The chromosome number reduced by half. So it becomes what? 10. Okay, question number 24. Which